competency focused type. So this numerical is based on machines. If you can see in this question, two students try to lift the same stone using identical crowbars. But difference is that student A places the fulcrum at 15 centimeter, student B places the fulcrum at 25 centimeters. And clue is given that effort applied is 150 centimeters from the fulcrum in both cases to lift the load of 600 newtons. Now first let us take for a student A case. Let us try to draw one rough diagram. Let us say it is a crowbar. Okay. Let us say this is a point of fulcrum where it is touching. Okay. Let us make it more clear. Let us say this is a fulcrum. Let us say that where it is touching fulcrum, and here is a load of 600 newtons. So person A is say that, so it is placed at 15 centimeters, and this is a point where he is applying the effort, and this is going to be the 150 centimeters. Now first let us calculate effort applied by each student. For first let us calculate for a student A. Children, we know that mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort, and for a lever we know that mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm by load arm. As LHS are equal, RHS can be equated. Now it is load by effort is equal to effort arm by load arm. Now let us rewrite this formula. Then effort is going to be load into load arm by effort arm. Okay, let us substitute the values here. Load is given 600, load arm is 15 centimeter, effort arm is how much more? 150. 0 0 cancel. 15 ones are, okay, let us take one more color. 15 ones are 15 fours are. Now 4 into 15 is almost more. So effort is equal to, it is 60. 60 units are what here? Newtons. Newton. So this is a effort applied by the student A. Now let us calculate the effort applied by student B. Okay, so here now for student B, so here is a crowbar, and here is a same load 600 newtons, and here is a fulcrum, but he said that he placed it at 25 centimeters from the load. So this is going to be load arm, that is a 25 centimeters will be the load arm, and this is a point where he is applying the effort. Children, in both cases effort arm will be same as per the question. So effort arm will be how much? It is 150 centimeters. Now let us apply the same formula here, that is effort is equal to load into load arm by it is effort arm. So load is how much? 600, load arm is 25, effort arm is how much more here? 150 centimeters. So let us cancel here. Okay, so 0 0 cancel. 15 ones, 15 fours. 4 into 25 is how much, mom? 100 newtons. 100 newtons. Now you can think, mom. Student A need to apply how much force here? Student A needs to apply 60 newtons, whereas student B needs to apply effort of 100 newtons. So which you need to discuss. You need to decide. So in which case it is easier? Applying 60 newton is easier. Okay, fine. Now the question 2. Who finds it's easier to lift? Of course, obviously, student A. So here, student A finds it is easier because he's applying 60 newton only. Now explain your answer. Children, these are very important part of the question. Children, we know that here. So as per the if you can see this one, load arm and effort arm. In the first case, what is happening here? Load arm is less, right? In a student A case, if you can notice, load arm is how much? 15 centimeters, but effort arm is common. Effort arm is how much more? That is 150 centimeters. But whereas for student B case, if you can see student B case, load arm is 25 centimeter, and here effort arm is same thing, That is how much more? 150 centimeters. Now you can notice here the very important thing here. So load arm is less. Here load arm is more. The very important conclusion is that here load arm will be the less. Then here effort applied will be less. If a load arm is more, for given effort arm we are talking, effort arm will be more. So in a student A case, if you can student A case, as the load arm is less, so effort required will be less. Whereas in the student B case, as the load arm is more, if effort required will be more. So here the answer is, who finds it easier once again? Student A. The reason means we discussed. Okay, children. Okay, this is very important to practice. So let me show you in a single page. Okay, children. Thank you. All the very best.